Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add highlight effect on mouse cursor on Camtasia. So open the Camtasia first, and this is the recording by the Camtasia. You can see the recording here, this recording. Okay, so if you want to change the cursor effect, you can see here this cursor effect. Sometimes if you can't find the cursor effect here, you have to click on more, and then you'll find here. Okay, then click on just cursor effect and choose the effect you like. I want to choose this effect, the highlight one. What you choose, you have to just press and drop down to this here. You have to drag down to the video. This is a video and this is the audio. If you like this, or if you want to use this cursor I'm showing you, you have to just drag this to this here. Okay, so after that you'll find these properties here. Click on properties and you'll find here the color. If you want to change the color, you have to click on this and you can choose any color you want. You can see that the color is changing, right? So you can choose any color you want. The opacity, if you want to the opacity, you can make it more or you can less it. Okay, this is the opacity. And size, if you want to big the size, this one. If you want to smaller the size, you can this one with the mouse. Okay, the softness, this is the softness one, and you can increase or decrease the softness by the mouse. And after that you have to just click on a properties again and you are all set. You can now choose this effect every video. When the cursor will be there, these settings will be there also, the highlight settings. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.